How to show earrings on a model with AI without losing the design. The trick with earrings try-on. Let's select it, and you need to upload the image of the earrings. Let's select something that we already have. It can be retouched or it can be completely unretouched image, basically raw photo like this. Then you need to select correct earring type, hoop in this case. The size, well, this is probably around medium or small. Let's keep it medium. You can select what kind of photo you want of the model, or pick a model from the reference photos. You can upload your own or pick a model. Let's have a model. Then it should be lifestyle photo. I want to have it not on a white background. Close-up framing, let's keep it off. Glamour Boost, yes. Female, 1:1, and that's it. Nothing more. Let's try. Actually, the validator that runs before the generation have said that it's wrong earring type, and probably is correct. So it's not hoop, it's a drop earrings, right? Let's select it and generate again. We have our earrings on a model. If for some reason it's hard to position earrings and select correct size using our size selector, you can switch to position on the model, replace it again from the library. You can choose the same, and now you can tell AI what the size of these earrings, because AI can make mistakes. It doesn't know the size of it. So even like this, it's okay. Now let's have close-up framing and generate. We have our earrings. Now it's smaller on the model, but model is closer. Looks good. You can just use it or create a video from it. If you click on the video creation, nothing to do here. Just click generate. We have our lifestyle photo model displaying this beautiful. This is how you make virtual try-on images and videos for your earrings with NeuroViz.